Hey y'all, so let me tell you what happened the other night. Well, I should say the morning. So my wife woke up. I know she pissed about something because she rumbling around the house like she moving real fast. So she come in here, my eyes started cracking up. It's Saturday morning, and she say, "You need to go to the doctor for your snoring because you was like a bear in the bed last night. I think you need to go see a doctor." And I was like, "Shauna, what? Hold on, what you talking about? You kept me up snoring all night." And I said, "Well, you said my snoring didn't bother you." "Well, it don't." But let me tell you, she was pissed. Boy, she was moving in that bathroom quick as shit. Like, she was pissed. So, my question is, what should I do about this? Because I think my marriage is in jeopardy if I keep on snoring.